Hey crafty friends, I have a design team package from ASC Supplies on Etsy, and these are almost all things you haven't seen before. So let's explore this package together. I haven't even looked. I took it out of the box and look at this. This is it's a piece of board. It's like blonde colored, you can see. And then it has all the twine in it for you to make it hangable and to add these little other wood pieces. And you can do all kinds of neat things to it. And these were really inexpensive. Let me see. Oh, yeah, here. Really inexpensive. Oh. Let me tell you how much. $3.75. Yeah, $3. You couldn't get this at anywhere. Hobby Lobby, Joann's, nowhere for $3.75. And I also got the one with hearts. Yeah, I'm excited about that. Okay, before we go any further, I got this cool all stamps 15% off. Oh, that's just till the 31st. Okay, guys. ASC adds Prima. For more details to meet our newest design team members, visit the new blog at asccraftsupplies.com. Okay, by the time you see this, I think the stamp sale will be over. I did get this beautiful paper collection from Graphic 45. I already have this, but I needed another pad for the project that I want to create with this paper. So it's just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, oh, I love it so much. Just like perfect. I even like it better than the fairy paper, to be honest with you. Oh, love it. All right, so that's the Graphic 45 Bloom. And now, oh, let's look at this. So I got a couple more rice papers for my stash. I have a huge stash of Stamperia decoupage rice paper, and I thought this one was stunning. I'm not really into red, okay, or orange, but I thought this was very pretty. I like the little bumblebee, and I thought this could come in handy for something. And then I got this pretty blue one. And we'll have to do a tutorial when I get around to working with the rice paper. I probably most likely will decoupage onto glass with these. And I have a decoupage video quite a while back, maybe 8 or 9, 10 months ago, where I used rice paper. But we'll definitely be doing that at some point. All right. So there are some new paper collections at ASC Supplies, and I was just tickled. Gosh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. Oh, at the bottom. So I went ahead and got 3 different ones, and these are just stunning. And it's called Mente by Corolla for passionate paper crafters. And this one's called Dear Diary. Where is this made? Poland. Oh my gosh, look at the little bird. Oh. The only thing I don't like is that you can't use the, like on the Stamperia papers, the front cover has paper you can cut apart. I mean, I guess you could cut these strips out. They're really cool and make banner pieces out of them. Oh, there's cut parts on the back. No wonder. And that is just an adorable bird. I'm sorry. All right, look at all those cut parts. Oh, okay. Look at this. And look at the light, the jar lamp, and there's the bird, and then there's these lights. Oh my gosh. The camera, book, and the typewriter. Okay, so you get 2 sheets of that, and that's what's on the back. And then you get another sheet that's kind of similar. Stays in the same theme. That's the back. Oh, and there's a fireplace. Well, that's a cool brick pattern. And this gorgeous sheet. Wow. That's cool. I am like so stoked over this paper. Oh, it's gonna be fun. And then you've got these little cut aparts for probably for journaling. Oh, yeah. I'm in love with this little bird. It's so cute. Okay, and then you get 2 sheets of that. All right. Oh, that was fun. I hadn't seen any of this paper. I literally just saw, you know, the color palette and was like, okay, I'm going with this one. These are so pretty. All right, let's take a look at this one. This one's called Lovely Day. And these are the cut aparts available with this one. Lots of cameras and flowers and little houses. So pretty. Oh, that's the back side. Beautiful spring, summer, floral. Oh, here's the back of this one. OMG. Oh, I love that. This one looks like succulents. And it looks aged and torn, and I love it. So look at these 2 wood. One's kind of got pink hues and one of them's got green. Oh my gosh. This is just the bomb. I like this one too with the yellow. And then you've got these that look like little notebook pages. And then this is what you got on the other side for your cut aparts. Oh my gosh. Now I don't want to go on a trip. I want to just craft. Oh, this next one. Oh my God. I thought I was in Stamperia heaven, and now we got another paper company creating gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. Okay, this one's called Celebrations, and you can see the pretty colors. Here are your cut aparts. Oh my goodness. Got balloons and cupcakes and this cake at the top. Oh. Very beautiful. This has words on the back. Be who you are. Always be who you are. Ooh, this has got that bokeh. Ooh, it's got that bokeh technique on it. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. More words. Oh, more of the bokeh technique. That's where you've got that little faded circles. Oh. This one's pretty with the polka dots. I imagine this to be a layout here. Pretty. Ooh, I love that. And then these are your little tags and journaling papers. So, oh my gosh, guys, such beautiful papers. And then I also got this embossing, clear embossing ink refill. So voila, let me tell you, the paper collections are $13.75. The rice papers, $2.35. This was $5.85. The graphic 45 bloom 8x8 was $12.60. And then these wooden, what do they call them? Hanging plaques were $3.75. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think I'm going to create those and hang them in here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Head over to ASC Supplies. All the links for all the social media and the fun things to do are going to be in the description box down below. Have a very happy, scrappy day, and go get you some crafty goodness.